Hello, friends. I have Dr. Vaishnavi here with me, and she's got a very good rank in the recently conducted INI CET. So, Vaishnavi, please tell yourself, give your introduction of yourself, your rank, your college.
Hello everybody, I'm Vaishnavi. I'm from KIMS Hubli. I got 198 rank in the recent INI CET. I am a DBMCI regular batch student of 2021 batch.
Great. So, Vaishnavi, I think KIMS Hubli is getting some of the top ranks from quite some time. So, when did you start your preparation and how did you pace it?
Sir, I joined DBMCI this year. In internship, I didn't prepare. So, I started from March of this year. And I continued with the regular batch. That's all I did currently. Sir.
Okay. So, you just focus on attending the classes, making the notes, and revising them.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How useful do you think the class notes are, and do you think people should do something more other than them?
No, sir. If you personally ask me, I think this is entirely attributed to the classes that DBMCI conducted.
Okay.
The notes is like the only thing I made was made notes and revised. That's
Right.
all, sir.
Right. So there is always a balance between how much theory you read and how much MCQs you do.
Yes, sir.
So how was your division of time for that?
Sir, I would just attend the day's class and I made sure I revised it once and tried to finish the MCQs related to that particular subject. Within that time allotted for that particular subject, I tried to finish the MCQs, and that's all, sir.
Okay. So basically do the theory, attend the classes, make the notes and do questions connected to that topic during the classes. Once the classes get over, after that you are focusing on doing revision. During revision, how was your division of time between reading theory and MCQs?
Sir, I actually didn't go for revision, sir. I had classes till the day before INI. So the last class was on 13th.
Okay.
So I didn't have time.
So you hadn't even finished your classes and you still already have got such a good rank. Right. I think your main goal, that means, was the NEET that is coming, that is March.
Yes, sir. Next year.
Next year, NEET was your main goal.
Yes.
But on the way itself, you picked up such a good rank. So I think it is phenomenal. Vaishnavi, I think it's really remarkable. So that means what that really means is you must have attended the classes with good presence of mind.
Yes, sir.
You must have made your notes properly and you've been revising them regularly. So I think this itself gets you to the position where you're getting this kind of a good rank.
Definitely, sir.
So I think fantastic. So what advice would you like to give to your juniors?
Sir, during the beginning of DBMCI, I heard your lecture where you said just finish that day's class on that day itself and nothing much is required. So I just stuck to that during this entire time. So try to attend all the classes and try to finish whatever is taught during that day itself. And I think that itself takes a long way, sir.
Great. Great, Vaishnavi. I think it's just fantastic. You've just completed our classes. I think now is the time when you are actually supposed to have started revision, but you
Yes,
already
sir.
got this kind of a good rank. Phenomenal. So I think it's a very good advice to those who are attending the classes this year and next year also. Ki during the class, if you have presence of mind, if you're really focused, and if you take it as if that's the main time for your studies, and as you're writing the notes on, so if you think and write down your notes, I think that itself will be very good preparation for you to reach to a level to get these kind of good ranks. So I think huge congratulations to you and best wishes. Anybody you'd like to thank before we close?
I would like to thank the entire DBMCI faculty, especially you, Rajat sir, Praveen sir. Like, I would really like to thank all of them, sir.
Great. Then thank you, and I think it's a pleasure talking to you.
Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
thank you.